Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do next topic of our chapter 7, triangles. So, we'll study different criteria for similarity of triangles. So basically student, here we have three similarity criteria, which are AAA similarity, SSS similarity and SAS similarity. So today we will do proof of theorem number 6.3, which is angle similarity. Student, the theorem states that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the triangle are similar. So basically, in layman terms, AAA similarity states that if in a two triangles their corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. So student, to prove it, let us consider a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in which angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. So here we have to prove that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, which means AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. So now we will do construction. Now student, watch and listen very carefully. See here, we will cut DP, which is equals to AB, and we will cut DQ, which is equals to AC from triangle DEF and join PQ. So here first we will prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. So by considering these two triangles, students, from here AB is equals to DP, AC is equals to DQ, and the reason is by construction. And also angle A is equals to angle D, which is also our given condition. So student, from here we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by side angle side congruency rule. And now by CPCT we can say that angle B is equals to angle P, but as we know that angle B is equals to angle E, so from here if angle P is equals to angle E, that means the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore student, if corresponding angles are equal, then the line PQ is parallel to EF. So if line PQ is parallel to EF, therefore by applying Thales theorem, from here we can say that in triangle DEF, DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF, and we know that here DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. So the ratio will become AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF. In NCERT, they have written that similarly AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF. Its proof is not given. So here I have solved its proof. As you can see that again we will consider two triangles, that is ABC and triangle DEF. Now this time student, we will cut EP, which is equals to BC, and EQ, which is equals to AB from triangle DEF and join PQ. So its proof is also similar to the one we have proved. So here student, again we will prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EQP, and the congruency rule remains the same, that is side angle side criteria. So by CPCT we can say that angle P is equals to angle C, but here as we know that angle F is equals to angle C. So from here if angle P is equals to angle C and angle F is equals to angle C, therefore student, angle P must also be equals to angle F. So if angle P is equals to angle F by corresponding angles, therefore from here PQ is parallel to DF. So if PQ is parallel to DF, then again by Thales theorem we can write the corresponding ratios, which are EP upon EF is equals to EQ upon ED. They are equal. So from here we know that EP is equals to BC and EQ is equals to AB. So in place of EP we can write BC upon EF is equals to AB upon DE. So this is the result which is directly proved in NCERT. So from here student, as you can clearly see that from equation number 1 and 2 we can write AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. So from here we have concluded that if in two triangles their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So the two triangles are similar. And now student, our second criteria for similarity of triangle is side similarity criteria. So in this, student, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar. Here we will prove theorem number 6.4. The theorem states that if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to, which means in the same ratio of the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. And hence, we can say that two triangles are similar. So in this theorem, let us take a triangle ABC and triangle DEF in which their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. That is, student, AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF, which is given condition. So from here we have to prove that their corresponding angles, which are angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. This we have to prove. So here also we will do the construction. From here we will cut side DP, which is equals to AB, and we will cut side DQ, which is equals to AC. And now we will join PQ. So from here, student, since the given condition is that AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF. Now, student, in this proof, if we consider triangle ABC and triangle DPQ and prove that they are congruent by considering AB is equals to DP, AC is equals to DQ, and the third condition, which is not given, as here we can't say that angle A is equals to angle D, since as this we have to prove. So we will follow a different approach in which we will prove that side BC is equals to PQ. To prove it, let us start from the given condition in which AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF. So from here, as we know that AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ. Therefore, student, from here we can write DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF. Then by converse of Thales theorem, we can say that in triangle DEF, PQ is parallel to EF. So from here, student, we can say that angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F by corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by angle-angle similarity criteria. So by CPST, that is corresponding part of similar triangle, we can say that DP upon DE is equals to PQ upon EF. And from here we know that DP is equals to AB. So therefore, student, from here we can write this as AB upon DE is equals to PQ upon EF. And according to our given condition, since AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF, so from here, student, BC upon EF is also equals to PQ upon EF. Therefore, student, from here EF and EF will get cancelled out and we get BC is equals to PQ. And now this we have proved that BC is equals to PQ, which is our third condition while proving triangle ABC and DPQ congruent. So now we can prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by considering AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ by construction. And the third condition is that BC is equals to PQ. And the reason is proved above. So student, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ by side congruency rule. So from here, by CPCT, we can say that angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle P, and angle C is equals to angle Q. But since we have to prove that angle A is equals to angle D, which we have already proved, and now we have to prove that angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. So from here, student, since angle B is equals to angle P and we know that angle P is equals to angle E by corresponding angles, so from here angle B is also equals to angle E. And similarly, student, since angle C is equals to angle Q and we know that angle Q is equals to angle F, so from here also we get angle C is equals to angle F. So here we have proved that if in two triangles the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then their corresponding angles are equal, and if they are equal, then two triangles are similar. So, and now in the next video we'll do proof of side angle side similarity criteria. So this is the end of this video, student. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.